For preparing the stuffing of the pitha or the milk rice cake, we will heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Into this we will add around 2 cloves of cardamom or elaichi and some chopped cashew nuts or kaju, and then we will lightly toss them till it is golden brown. Into this we will add 3 tablespoons of coconut powder or grated coconut if it is available with you. Then add some sugar. I have used 2 tablespoons of sugar. It entirely depends on you how much sugar, how much sweet you want your stuffing, and then give it a mix. And into this add around 3 tablespoons of condensed milk depending on how sweet you want your stuffing, and then give it a mix. If you don't have condensed milk, you can add sugar or a bit of milk and give it a mix. Just have a look, all the ingredients have come together, and at this point of time your stuffing is ready. Let it cool for some time. For making the cake or the pitha, we will require rice flour, or in Assamese we call it as saulor guri, 4 tablespoons of it. So we will have to prepare a soft dough to make the cake. I have added 1 cup of water. It should be a mild lukewarm water, and some salt according to your taste, and give it a mix to form a very soft dough. Yes, now we are ready to make our small little cakes or pithas. Divide it into small equal portions so that we can stuff it with the stuffings that we have already prepared. Pitha reminds me of bihu always. Take one of the portions and create a kind of small little well where we can stuff the stuffing that we have prepared. Let there be cracks in the edges, it won't hamper your pithas, like so, like I have done. This is ready to be stuffed. Take a gentle amount of the mixture that we have prepared and stuff it like so, and roll it properly so that it cannot come out of the edges. Yeah, give it any shape that you wish to. So I have given all these random shapes to all my cakes. Meanwhile, heat some milk in a pan. Let it come to a boil. When the milk has come to a good boil, we will be dropping these cakes that we have already prepared, and basically we will be steaming these cakes for 15 to 20 minutes till the milk is absorbed in the cakes. Just have a look, the milk has reduced to half of its quantity, and now we will be adding the leftover stuffing that we had from the mixture we had prepared. If you do not have any leftover stuffing, then you can just continue boiling it for some other minutes so that the milk has reduced totally. Just have a look, the milk has reduced and my milk cakes are ready. This is a traditional Assamese dessert recipe which has been going on since generations, and this is a really must try. Guys, please hit a like if you like this and subscribe to my channel.